really interesting update here. The latest advisory just released over the last 30 seconds or so from the National Hurricane Center. Now you'll notice the numbers are still the same. 45-mile-an-hour sustained winds, gust at 60, but check this out. The cone has completely shifted. It's going over Houston now. I want to caution you that this will bring us wind impacts. So we are on the clean side of the storm. The dirty side, with all this convection and all this moisture, is still pushing off to the east towards Louisiana. But this is definitely an interesting shift that we're tracking now. The reason why this has happened is because it was such a disorganized, pretty weak storm. And so when this happens, we can get that center of circulation to jump around quite a bit. And so the National Hurricane Center has been rattling its brain trying to figure out where exactly that center is placed. And they've now determined with the latest flight track that they just went on that the center is a little bit closer to land. I'm suspecting that it already actually made landfall. They haven't issued any guidance on that just yet, but I think it made landfall close to the Matagorda-Brazoria coastline, and then it's going to push in closer towards the city center sometime this late afternoon into the early evening, with winds at around 35 miles an hour. So not all that impressive. The winds will certainly be dying down, but there'll be something that you notice pick right back up as we head into the evening hours. So that is the latest development from the National Hurricane Center. Now here's a live look at radar. I mean, nothing going on for us here in southeast Texas other than this low spin that we are keeping a close eye on. All the convection is on the east side, again the dirty side, which is pushing towards Louisiana and will continue to push to other eastern states like Mississippi and Alabama. Notice right now radar is completely clear. We've got some cloud cover out there, but mainly we've got a ton of sunshine. The heat is going to be the next weather story that we track once Arthur clears out of the way. Now I want to show you the potential rain as we go into this evening and as we go into the overnight hours. Really nothing showing up for Houston. I think it's going to be wind that we feel once Arthur passes through here, and then the heavy rain potential pushes towards our east like we have been warning about. Current winds right now, they're there, but they're really not that impressive. So 17 miles an hour for Galveston, 16 for Pearland, 17 for Hobby. I'm expecting this to pick up to gusting at around 35 once Arthur starts pushing through here. But a very interesting new development, which is why we have not let our guard down, why we're keeping a close eye on Arthur. Guys, I have more updates for you in a couple minutes.